everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am going to explain how to design a website. So this is my website. In this website, this is the top navigation bar. In this top navigation bar, left side we have a different tabs: home, about us, contact us. In the right side we have one button, login button. So in this home page we have a different slides are there in my home page. So this is the footer section. In this footer section we have a one heading www.jobbasics.com. So now I want to log into web page. Just I click on the login button. Now my login page is displayed. This login page we have a one heading login and two text boxes are there, one for username and another for password, and I have a one button, login button. Suppose if I want to send the contact details, just click on the contact us page. Now the contact us page is displayed. This is my contact us page. Here we have a left side same tabs are there, right side login page, login button is there. In the footer section also same. Here this is the contact us page, this is the heading of the contact us. Here we have a three text boxes are there, one for username and another is email address, next is the phone number, this is the text area, this is the message, and we have a one button, submit button. Suppose I want to know about the other, just I click on the about us. So this is the about us page. In this page, this is the heading of the about us, these are the paragraphs. So this is the footer section. As usual, footer section contain the one heading, and the left side we have a three tabs and right side we have a button. So now I want to go to the login page. So this is my login page. So this overall picture of our website. Now I am going to show you step by step process how to design this website. First, go to the local drive. This is my local drive, this is the app drive. I am creating one folder, website. So this is my folder. If you go into this folder, we have a different HTML files are there: index.html, login.html, contact us.html, about us.html. These are the HTML files. This is the images folder. So if you go into this folder, we have a different images are there. So we can keep all our images in images folder. Now I am going to show you the source code how we can design this website. First I am explaining the all about index.html. In this index.html we have a different components are there. So first I am going to explain the top navigation. This is the top navigation. This code is related to this top navigation bar. In this top navigation, right side we have a login button. Whenever I click this login button, it redirect to login.html page. So this is the login button. Whenever I click this button, this login page is redirecting. So this is because of this hyperlink. Next is we have a three hyperlinks in left side. These are the three hyperlinks: home, about us, contact us. So suppose if I click on this home tab, it is redirected to index.html. So this is the index.html. Next is the about us. If I click on this about us button, it is redirected to about us.html. So this is the about us.html. This is the contact us page. Whenever I click on this contact us page, it is redirected to the contact us.html. So this is the contact us page. So now I am going to explain the slideshow. This is the slideshow related code. These are the slideshows. There are four slides I am giving. These are the slideshows. This div tag first image src equal to images.image1.jsp. This is the folder name where this image is located. So this is the images folder. This is the images folder. In this we have a images. This is the image 1. So here I am giving. At the same way I am giving the image 2, image 3, image 4. So next one is the footer section. So footer section is nothing but a, this is the footer section. This background color is yellow color, and this is the one heading. This is nothing but a heading. I am creating the heading using h2 tag. So this is the heading. The color is blue color. Now I am going to explain how to apply the CSS to all this component. First I am going to show you the, I am applying the CSS to body of the web page. So this is the body of the web page. Margin equal to 0, background image equal to back.jsp. So this is the background image of my website. Next I am applying CSS to top navigation. Top navigation, this is the top navigation. This top navigation, this is the top navigation. In this top navigation, overflow equal to hidden and background color equal to light color. So this is the light green color, and padding equal to 10 pixel. I am applying 10 pixel to this top navigation. Next I am applying the CSS to top navigation hyperlinks. So these are the hyperlinks. So float equal to left. That means the hyperlinks are displayed in a left side of the web page. This is the left side, this is the right side. So float left means here it is displaying. Display block color equal to red. Color equal to red means hyperlinks color is red color. So padding equal to 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Now I am going to apply the CSS to mouse over. So this is the background color yellow color, and color equal text color equal to blue color. So if I keep my mouse on the hyperlinks, the background color is automatically changing. The background color is yellow color, and the text color also blue color is displaying. So this is the blue color. So now I am going to show you how to apply the CSS to this button. So padding equal to 12 pixel and 12 pixel I am giving this button. Border radius equal to 20 pixel. That means this is the radius. If you see the shape of the button is radius shape, 20% I am giving, and width of the button is 8%. So the button width is 8%, and border equal to 2 pixel, solid and red color. So if you observe the button border red color, it is displaying. So margin left to 70%. That means it is displayed 70% from the left side. So it is located here only. So background image, radial gradient, red, yellow, green. So if you observe the button here, this is the red color inner side, next yellow color, and green color is displayed. This is the footer related CSS code. Margin top 38%. So the footer is displayed from margin 38%, and background color of the footer is yellow. So this is the yellow color I am applying the footer, and padding equal to 5 pixel. The padding is 5 pixel, and text to align equal to center. So here the text is displayed in a center of the web page. Now I am going to explain the heading. So this is the heading. Text equal to center means the text is displayed in a center, and color is blue color. So if you observe here, this heading is displayed in a blue color. So now the index.jsp is completed. Now I am going to the next page. So this is, I want to click on the login page. So now login page is displayed. Now I am going to explain all about this login page. So just go to this login page. In this login page, we have a left side, home, about us, contact us. 3 hyperlinks are there. These are the home page. When I click on home, it is redirected to index.html. So this is the index.html. Next, if I click on about us, it is redirected to about us page. This is the about us page. If I can contact us page, it is displayed in the contact us page. This is the contact us page. Now I'm going to explain all about this login page. So this is the heading. These are the two text box, one for username and another for password. This is the one button. So this is the heading. So this is the heading. Here I have two text box, one for username, another for password, and I have one button login. So this is the login button. As usual, we have a footer. The footer heading is javabasics.com. This is the javabasics.com. Now I am going to show you how to apply the CSS to all these components. So this I am taking universal selector box sizing equal to border box, and for body margin equal to 0, background image equal to back.jsp. So this is the background image of my login page. So if you observe here, my background is different, image is displayed. Now I am going to apply the CSS to these two text box, username and password. So this is the input type equal to text and input type equal password. So padding equal to 20 pixel and 15 pixel. This is the 20 pixel and 15 pixel, and border radius equal to 20 pixel. This is the radius of the text box, 20 pixel I am giving, and width 100%. The width of the text box is 100%, and border equal to 2 pixel solid indigo. So this is the border, indigo color is displayed in border. So margin left 5%, this is the margin left 5% I am giving. This is the button. So this is the button, padding equal to 20 pixel 15 pixel. This is the button, padding 20 pixel 15 pixel I am giving, and border radius 20 pixel I am giving. So if you give here, this is the radius 20 pixel, and width of the button is 40%. So this is the 40% of the button. So border 2 pixel solid indigo. So this is the border indigo color I am giving, and margin left 35%. This is the 35% I am giving margin, and background color of the button is yellow color. So this is the yellow color I am giving the background. Now I am going to show you the this whole thing, how I am applying the CSS. So this padding 35% and 35%, border radius 200 pixel. That means if I give 200%, my login form is displayed in a round shape. So width is 30%. This is the 30% of whole web page. So background color equal to deep pink color. So this is the deep pink color I am giving the background, and box shadow equal to 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel and light green. So this is the shadow color, light green color is displaying. So this is the margin top 4%. This is the 4% I am giving. This is the top navigation. These are the top navigation bars. So overflow hidden background color light green. This is the light green, and padding equal to 10 pixel. Is the hyperlinks float left, it is displayed in left side, and display block color red. These are the red colors, and padding equal to 10 pixel and 10 pixel I am giving. So this is the mouse over. Whenever my mouse is keep on the hyperlinks, background color yellow color and text color blue color. So this is the background is yellow color, text color also change it to blue color. This is the footer top margin top 5%, background color yellow color. This is the background yellow color, and padding 5 pixel, and text align equal to center. This is the text align. So this is the heading. This is the heading. Text align equal to center. Color equal to blue. This is the blue color it is displaying. So this is all about login page. Now I am going to click on contact us page. Now my contact us page is displayed. In this contact us page, we have one heading, 3 text boxes, and one text area, one button is there. Now I am going to show you. This is related to top navigation. This is the top navigation. As usual, home. If I click on this home page is displayed. If I click on about us, this about us is redirecting. This is about us page is displayed, and if I click on this contact us page, it is redirected to contact us page. So these are the heading login. This is the sorry sorry the so this is related to contact space. So this is the heading of the contact space. This is the contact space. Here we have a three text boxes are there, one text area. So these are the three text boxes. One is username, email address, phone number, and one text area is created. This is the text area. This is the text area. This is the submit button. This is the submit button related code, and this is the footer. This is the footer related code. Now I am going to show you how to apply the CSS. First I am going to apply the CSS to so body margin 0, background image equal to same image I am giving. This is the background image, and I am applying the CSS to text box. So padding 10 pixel and 10 pixel, and radius 20 pixel, and width is 80% I am giving, and border equal 2 pixels, solid light green color. This is the border. This is the margin left 5 pixel I am giving. Text area also I am applying the same thing. This is the button also 15 pixel and 10 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, and width is 40%, and border equal to 2 pixel, solid light green. This is the solid light green. This is the margin left 25%, background color yellow color. This is the contact space. This is the contact, padding 15 pixel and 15 pixel, border radius 100. So if I give the 100, it is displayed like this only. So width is 30%. This is the 30% of whole web page. This is the background color. This is the orange color I am giving. So this is the box shadow. So this is the box shadow related code. This is the top. This is the margin top. I am giving 2 pixel. This is the heading of the footer part. Text align center color blue. Now I want to go into the about us page. This is about us page. Here we have a one heading, and here the paragraphs are there. As usual, left side we have a tabs, and right side button, and this is the footer part. Here also we can go to the contact us page, about us page, home page, or login page. So in this is the footer part. Now I am going to show you the all about these things. These are the top navigations, about us, contact us, this code. This is the login button. This is the login button. Here we have a one heading, nothing but this is the heading. Here I am taking the 4 paragraphs. These are the paragraphs, and here is the footer part. This is the footer part. So I am showing the CSS. First I am applying the body margin 0. This is the top navigation related code, already I explained. This is the top navigation code. This is top navigation hyperlinks. This is the top navigation mouse over, and this is the footer related code. Footer is back color yellow color, and this is the button. So this button code is related to this, already I explained about this one. The heading, this is the related to this, and now I am going to home page. So this is the home page. So now each and every component is covered. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.